Hi everyone, and welcome to my final project. So I decided to do my final project on Mindomo, and the field that I'm going to demonstrate it in is phylogeny. So what is Mindomo? Mindomo is a mind mapping, concept mapping, and outlining tool that can be used to develop ideas and also brainstorm. It is available in both browser and offline versions. There is a free version of Mindomo, but this free version is a bit limited. So, how can Mindomo be used in phylogeny? Or, firstly, what is phylogeny? Phylogeny is the study of phylogenetics, which shows the evolutionary relationships between organisms. So, it shows how organisms evolved from a common ancestor, how closely related organisms are, and we call these phylogenetic trees as the branching resembles the branching on a tree. And this is very useful for scientists studying phylogeny and also students taking courses, for example, biological diversity. So I'm going to give you all a demo of how Mindomo can be used. So once you type in mindomo.com to your browser, this is what comes up. You can create an account, which is very easy, but I'm just going to log into my pre-existing account. And then you're going to be greeted with this screen. You can import a previous file that you have, or you can create a Mindomo map from scratch. So on the left, there's many templates can be used because Mindomo is not only useful in phylogeny. As you see, it can be used in literature, geography, grammar, history. So I'm just going to use a blank template and I'm going to click this arrow this arrow to choose a theme. I'm going to choose this theme. So this Mydomo tree is going to, or this phylogenetic tree is going to represent the evolutionary relationships between the three domains of life, which is bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. So firstly, I'm going to select this, right click to change the text, universal common ancestor. And then in our first box here, right click again, and I'm going to bacteria, and then common ancestor of eukarya and archaea. And then I can just delete these because I don't need them. I'm just going to highlight the boxes, press delete, highlight once again, press delete, and I can delete these too. So I need to add a subtopic under this box. So what I'm going to do, I already have the box highlighted and I'm just going to use this that adds a new subtopic. So in this box, I'm going to write archaea, and since archaea and eukarya are sister taxa, I need to represent them on the same line. So I don't want a subtopic coming out from here. I want a topic next to archaea, just like this. So once again, I just highlighted archaea and pressed the add a new topic. So I'm going to type in eukarya, and my mini phylogenetic tree is complete, but we want to, jazz it up a little bit. So in order to change like the theme of this box, I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to, like, this is a list of all the different colors I can do. I can do orange, I can do purple. I'm also able to italicize my text, underline my text, and I can change the color of my text. I can also increase the size of my text. And if we click this tab here, if we click this tab here, I can also add a fill of color in the background, and I can also change the shape. And I can do the same with archaea. Once again, highlight it, click this arrow, and let's change it to red. So this is a small phylogenetic tree, but my phylogenetic trees can get very complex, and this is the tree that I had to use, that I end up doing while being a learning assistant for biology too. So this is just how intense phylogenetic trees can get, and this was created using Mindomo. So I'm just going to do a little conclusion about Mindomo. Mindomo is a useful free software that can aid in scientists studying phylogeny and also biology students. However, the software is constantly being updated, so it might be a learning curve for some users. Yeah, that's my thoughts on Mindomo. Once again, very useful, very helpful. I hope you all learned something and have a great summer. Thank you guys. And these are my references.